Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a layout in Cadence Virtuoso. First, you will begin by launching the Virtuoso layout suite and creating a new cell view. This initial step is crucial for establishing your design environment. Next, you will import your schematic netlist, which provides the connectivity information for your layout. Finally, ensure your technology library and design rules are correctly set up for accurate design rule checking. Once your environment is ready, the next step involves placing your devices. You will select and position standard cells or custom-designed components from your chosen technology library onto the layout canvas. After placement, utilize the powerful routing tools to draw the interconnections between the device pins. It is essential to meticulously follow the netlist and ensure all routing adheres to the specified design rules for proper functionality. After placing and routing your components, verification is paramount. You will run design rule checking, or DRC, to identify any physical violations such as minimum width or spacing errors. Following this, perform layout versus schematic, or LVS, to ensure your layout's connectivity precisely matches your original schematic. Any discrepancies found by either DRC or LVS must be carefully corrected to guarantee a functional and manufacturable design. The final stages involve extracting crucial information from your layout. You will extract parasitic components, such as resistance and capacitance, which are inherent to the physical layout. This extracted data is then used to generate a new netlist for post-layout simulation. Running these simulations allows you to accurately assess your circuit's performance, taking into account the real-world effects of the physical layout, ensuring robust design operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.